It is day 18 of the Create and Bloom Advent Basket, or calendar basket, or Advent wicker holder. See, Create and Bloom. And let us see, we've got 2024, 22, 19, 21, 18. There we go, right there. All right, we're going to pause to move the basket out of the way. Or we won't. We'll just do a nice little, see my little owl in there. He's so cute. All right. 18. Where's the tape? Where did she tape this up at? There we go. Oh, she red. She's called Tulip. Yeah, look at that. We'll get a quick after shot of her. Come on, get in focus. Get in focus there, come on. But we'll get a quick after shot so you can get a nicer view of her true color. All right, thanks. She'll make some pretty things. Bye.